Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, January the 7th, 2022. We have two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a heavy Sudoku. And this is also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. And it's today the first Friday of the month. So we have a speed test. So these two puzzles, the regular Sudokus, the light and the heavy one, I will do a speed test. Okay. We have also the daily in this newspaper we have the daily news. Yeah, yesterday I've told you record is broken for the infected people with Omicron. 25,000. Well, today 45,000. So 10,000 people more. So again, daily record broken. Anyway, speed test for the Sudoku Light. This will be number 3944. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 9 big squares with 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 4. Let me see the 4. No, not a lot of 4s. 4 and the 8. 4 and the. Let me see the 5, 5. 4 and the 4 and the 7. 9 and the 8. 8, 4, 4, 5 and 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5. Here we have the 8 and the 7, 7, 7, 7. Then we have here the 6, 6, the 9, 7, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, the 8, 8, 7 and a 5, 9 and 6, 8. Finished. 4 minutes. Yeah. Mine is 1.5. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Let me check if this is correct because a speed test. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. So I'm well pleased with the time. It's getting faster and faster. You need daily practice because otherwise your brain needs to work hard. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku or heavy one with 26 printed digits. 26. Yeah, 26 printed digits. See you then. Bye bye for now.